In today's class, we are going to teach you the anatomy of the nasal cavity and particularly nasal septum in a perfect bone. If you see the skeleton, this is the nasal bone. Okay, this is maxilla. So this process, there is a process here. It is going here, frontal process of maxilla articulating here. This is nasal bone here, one-sided left-sided nasal bone. This is the right-sided nasal bone. Okay, so again this is the frontal process of the maxilla going upwards. So nasal bones are articulating with the frontal process of the maxilla. This is the frontal bone maxillary process. Now let us come down here nearby. There is a spine here. You see sharp spine here. This is known as the maxillary spine. Okay, this gives attachments to the lower end of the septal cartilage. So what is this structure? This is our so-called septal cartilage. Basically in the bone there won't be any septal cartilage. So I put a small photographic paper here instead of the septal cartilage. Now we'll remove this whole thing and we'll see the anatomy of the nasal cavity and the nasal septum here. First I'll remove this part. So this is first I'll remove this part. Okay, this part. And the skull will be open from both the sides. Okay, then there is another part here. Just wait 1 minute. Now you see we are separating it in between. Now you can see beautifully the anatomy of the nasal septum. Okay, this is becoming into two parts. We are making it into two parts. Now slowly we'll remove the mandibular part and we'll take, okay, so we'll come to this part where nasal septum is there. Okay, now this is the area where cartilaginous quadrangular cartilage was articulated. Okay, so this is the crest of the maxilla. This is the palatine crest. So what is this bone? This is the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid. So this is the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid, and this is the bone which is known as the vomer. So vomer here, below and behind, above and behind is the perpendicular plate of the ethmoids. Okay, now if you come here, you will get a small piece of the bone. This is known as the rostrum of the sphenoid sinus. So this is the sphenoid sinus, and this is the separating in between the two sphenoid sinus there will be a septum. Okay, intersphenoid septum. This is sella turcica. Okay, now if we come here, if we rotate this one here, okay, or if we see the other parts of it, then we'll be able to we'll come to know about the other different areas of the nasal cavities. So this is the sphenoid sinus here, and you see beautifully the sphenoid sinus is draining through an opening here through its ostium. Okay, so this is the palate hard palate, this is the inferior concha, this is the middle concha, this is the superior concha. So these conchas are, this inferior concha is a separate bone, whereas middle and the superior concha are the part of the ethmoidal labyrinth. So this is the sphenoid. So again, coming down to the anatomy of the nasal septum, again coming down to the anatomy of the nasal septum, we'll come to this part of the just wait. So this is our septal cartilage articulating here like this, septal cartilage here, okay, just fitting very nicely here, okay. And so this is ethmoid, perpendicular plate of the ethmoid, below and behind is the vomer, and you will get the crest of the maxilla here, maxillary crest, and you will get the palatine crest here, you will get the rostrum of the sphenoid here. If you see this bone little carefully inside, you will see there is a sharp projection here. This is known as the spur. So that's all about the bony anatomy of the nasal septum.